Good morning. I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope you guys had a good trading week last week. So, yeah, let's get into a quick review on price on Friday. So, on Friday, I dropped a forecast on price. I was saying I was looking to see price just tap in a little bit and then go down. But if price is going to dig into the fair value gap, I'm not interested. So yeah, we did get a dig into the price action, which was here, and then when we go down to the 1 hour, we had this fair value gap here, and price has traded 15 50%, 50% above the fair value gap, traded above 50% of the fair value gap. So I saw this as a bullish price action, because if price was going to return down, if if price was going to return down, it was going to return down at this, like, right here. Once price going to the fair value gap, it's going to just deliver. It's not going to close in the fair value gap. It's going to just weaken it and then push down, like a displacement down price. But we didn't get that. We saw price go into the fair value gap. So on the 1 hour, this also showed confirmation of bullish price action, which was price trading above 50% of the fair value gap, and then we saw a return into the other block, and then we offset it. So same thing on Euro USD, what we were looking at. So this was the other block we were looking at, and then price came into it and then offset. And yeah, I didn't get stopped out because, as you can see, we always add some pips to the price. So my stop loss was, I think it was 10, or maybe, yeah, around 10 or 10.5, because I think, yeah, it was above this high. And then I was looking to offset my price here, but price was consolidating, so I just got out around, I think it was 2.6, yeah, 2.6 hour. So now the forecast itself. So this week I'm looking at price to be bearish. Maybe on Monday I want to see some bullishness on Monday today, but I'm thinking overall price is bearish on euro dollar. It could be next week, but I'm still thinking price is bearish. So we see price trade through this fair value gap, closing below the fair value gap here, and then we see price rejected from this other block, and it came back into the other block, and what we saw is we see price closing below 50% of this other block, making this other block invalid. So price has traded below 50% of the other block, and then now we see an impulsive move up. Let's see if impulsive move. I don't think it's extremely bullish. I don't think price is going to go above here. Maybe probably going to go into this area, but not even that one, this one, because that's a swing failure. So I don't think price is going to go high, closing above these highs, because I think price is bearish because of this happening. Price closing below 50% of the other block, and then we see price trade through this fair value gap, and now we have a swing failure here. So all these are more like characteristics of bearishness. So now this is what I'm going to see price do. I want to see price go up a little bit, maybe, but let's go to the 4-hour and see what price is doing. So on the 4-hour, we are in a fair value gap, but on the 4-hour, this gap, I think this gap is going to be filled and price is going to be bullish from here. But look at this. What is about the 50%, which is about the premium? We have this fair value gap. We have the other block here, and we do have this volume imbalance. But I don't think it's going to be that extreme. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on this volume imbalance. So right now, if price is going to reject, I'm thinking price is going to reject here or on this level. And this fair value gap is making this other block a high probability order block. So this is what I want to see. I want to see price go up into this area, and then we see a drop down. So yeah, that'll be all. And I don't think I have. If there's any changes in price, I'll let you guys know in the next video, which will be tomorrow. So yeah, so stay tuned. If you guys want to see more of this, just subscribe.